Hello guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you're feeling well guys. Once again, I'm talking about the Vechain price update. What's the price? What's the price changes occur in the Vechain? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, I request all of you to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Vechain guys. Absolutely guys, in a previous time Vechain is profitable coin, but in a right now situation from the last 30 days Vechain are going completely in the loss. I mean the changes of Vechain are going negative, so that's why guys a lot of people are worrying about Vechain. But don't worry guys, if you're a holder of Vechain, so only you have to hold for a long time. If you're a long-term investor of Vechain, so don't worry, just forget Vechain, and after 1 year, after 6 months, absolutely you are in the profit after 6 months, after 1 year guys. Anyways, if you're new in my channel, click the subscribe button right now. 0.102097 USD dollar, that is right now price of Vechain. Furthermore guys, you can see here the changes, the whole changes last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes of Vechain price are going completely in the lows guys. Let me show you the price chart. You can see here guys, I think for a short time Vechain price start pumping, but unfortunately now they're again going neutral guys. But now I believe guys that let is pumping, but gradually slowly the price of Vechain start increasing. And I hope guys, I'm sure about that at the last of September, now only 10 days remaining in September, so I believe guys that these 10 days continuously the Vechain price will pump guys. Anyways, hope you like this update videos. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.